Number 9 is one of those things that is dramatic if you understand the mechanics and can do it, and otherwise it's just a really cool sentence. If we massage too fast, we are always pushing the stasis out of the muscle or the channel, but we're not allowing the chi in. If we allow the chi in after we've pushed out the stasis, then we end up pushing chi through the stasis, not pushing the stasis. Oh, yeah. Huh? Right? So what happens is, I'm doing this, I'm going to push the stasis out, but my speed is such that I'm always emptying what's there. And then I move on and it refills, hopefully. Okay? But no matter what, there's a constant exit. But I keep talking about how that speed changes with the hand, and there's this 3-dimensional motion when I'm doing the work. As I go down and then it comes up, I come up and I push out the stasis. Now there's room for chi, and with my warm hands, it gets there. And then I'm pushing that warm chi through the stasis that's left. So the first one, I'm definitely pushing the stasis, okay? But as I fill back up and then I'm pushing warmth through the stasis. I'm not pushing stasis. Some of you are like, That's good. Chapter 41 of the Tao Te Ching. Read it, and then you'll understand how I feel about number 9.